Hello, I'm your anchor, James Pelche, and you're watching Math Action News at 6. Tonight, we bring you a very special broadcast, Symmetry in Nature. Now, we take you live to our senior field reporter, Michael Banks, with the first segment.
What be symmetry? How do you define it? And where do you find it in nature? The exact definition of symmetry is an exact mathematical pattern self-similarity. Symmetry can be found in many different forms. One of them being the Fibonacci spiral, but we'll go into that later. The other one can be cross-axis symmetry, where symmetry is found across a line of axis and is the same on either side of it. It can have one or several lines of symmetry, like a circle, per se.
By the grace of the God himself, that was interesting! Thank you, Michael. And now to our senior professor of intelligence, Evan Matthews.
So I bet you're wondering what Fibonacci is. In the Fibonacci sequence, the first two numbers are 1 and 1, and the next number is the sum of the last two. Now the pattern in nature, which is the Fibonacci spiral, can be found in many things, such as the arrangement of leaves on a tree, a sunflower, and even a pine cone. Fibonacci.
Oh, what? That was quite something. My mind is in shambles. And now to our senior math correspondent, Hugh Partridge.
In nature, we can find such symmetrical things like a parabola, which is a two-dimensional mirror symmetrical curve. You can find things like this in something like a rainbow, or maybe the petals of a flower.
By the power of Zeus's rage, nature is amazing! This symmetry is present every day, wherever you look. Go home, tell your wife and children you love them. Venture out, find the symmetry, and thank it for all it's done for you to this day.
Thank you for watching.
This has been Math Action News at 6.
Tune in next week when we dive and wrestle 16 beluga whales.
Stay classy, Math 10AP.